Okay, so what we have here is an automatic transmission with an air shift PTO. Now this is it's a hydraulic brake system, which we don't have an air compressor to operate this from the engine. So what we have added is an onboard air compressor to operate the switches and the air switch on it. So we'll just simply right now, you can see it's the PSI is pretty high, so we're just gonna turn it on. Once the PSI gets to drops down below, I want to say maybe around 90 PSI, the compressor will kick on automatically, and then it will just kick off automatically as well once it gets to the desired full PSI on the system. So I'm gonna leave it on. Now the transmission is in neutral, the truck is running, so being an air shift PTO, I will have to basically put the transmission in a gear, which I just selected drive. I'm gonna engage my PTO, and I'm gonna go ahead and return it back to neutral. Or if I wanted to spray while I'm driving, I just simply have to lower it all the way to gear number 1. That's how I'm gonna do my video. Now, in this particular transmission setup, we always select the lowest gear just to get the best output out of the pump. The RPM on the drive shaft has to be to the lowest gear. You can decide to go to the second gear, but the truck is gonna be going way too fast on it. So we're gonna do our video number on gear number 1. Or if you decide you need to spray water, you can just return the transmission back to neutral. And my pump I just heard it right now kicked on, and we wanted to spray. You can decide to spray from your front to your side or your two rear. So you're gonna go ahead and just spray on with the front, and I'm just gonna give it a little bit of RPM. There you go. It's a little bit high, so you can't really see the water, but we'll show in our video next, like I say, demonstrate it, and to disengage it, just turn it back to your off position. And once you finish running your system, make sure you turn off your actual system here for your air compressor. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate all these functions on the next video.